Good morning, guys. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Today we have two service calls on this chiller number one and chiller number two. So let's get right into it. All right, let's see what alarm we have. Okay, current alarms, loss of communication with SIOB board number one. So this is SIOB number one and number two. From glance, I can see a problem already. We're supposed to have a blinking green and red light, and we don't have no blinking red or green light. So let's check into it. All right, guys. So this is our 24-volt plug. Let's check if we have 24 volts. All right. So we do have 24 volts. This means this board is bad. We have power going into it, but we have no blinking lights. So this board is defective. So we're gonna go ahead and swap it right now. All right, guys. So we have the new board right here. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. One thing I like doing whenever I have to remove all these plugs, I like numbering each plug and taking a picture. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just in case. Another important step for changing out this board, remember these dip switches, how they were positioned. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. All right, guys, new board's in. Let's go ahead and plug all the connections. All right, guys, I installed a new board. I added some dielectric grease on each connections for a good connection. So let's go ahead and turn on the power and see if it fires up. All right, guys, we have a blinking red light. That's a good sign. So we went ahead and installed the SIOB board A. So what I like doing is going to circuit A details and just making sure all my temperatures and pressures look okay. The unit's turned off at the moment, but I just like to visually scan and make sure everything's okay. And go from there. I'll probably turn it on in a bit. I just gotta call the customer and tell them to send a command for this chiller. But so we're done with this chiller for right now. We replaced the SIOB board. We're gonna go work on the second chiller over there and see what's going on. So let's get to it. Guys, let's start working on chiller number two. Let's see what's going on with chiller number two. Let's go to alarms. Alarm history. Okay, so we have the 29, loss of refrigerant flow, circuit A, and 28, 24. So we have 3 loss of refrigerant flow. So what I like doing, I like going to the home page, go to menu. So we have alarms going on circuit A. So let's go ahead and go to con. Let's go ahead and turn off compressor B so we can isolate the